Welcome back to Emma and Wonderland! Today we are going to review Fingerlings! Mine is Leo the monkey! And mine is Lulu the unicorn. Ella, they have 70 plus sounds and reactions. And they also have different personalities whether they are on your finger or not. These are our cute fingerlings. Hold its head down for 2 seconds for a really silly sound. If you want to put it to sleep, just lay it down and pet it. Fingerlings love to give kisses. Touch it to your cheek for a little kiss. And touch his nose for a super kiss. If you press down the nose, then it will eat.
Time to swing it left and right. And shake it all over. Touch its heart for more reactions.
We are so happy with our fingerling pets. And I really love my baby monkey. Thank you for staying